Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a stairway like this that's really high up. How do you get to those areas? I'm going to show you how to do it with a homemade walkboard. Let's get right to the video. Okay, so let me show you what we got here. I've got the step ladder. We built this walkboard out of 2x6s right here. It's 12 feet long. On the top we've got OSB. Okay, that's just one sheet. This is 2 foot wide. I split the OSB in half. Alright, you lay it on top of a step, which you can see right there, and then you just adjust your ladder accordingly, you know, on the height to accommodate what you're trying to do. And then on top of that we've got another step ladder right there, and that gets us high enough to get all the way up to the top where we need to be. So that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.